Hola y bienvenidos. I'm Ana Dueñas León. Welcome to an introduction to flamenco dance. Whether you're an absolute beginner or whether you're already studying flamenco and you want help breaking down and understanding the steps, I'm going to be showing you some of the most fundamental and versatile steps in flamenco. Not only will you learn a choreography, but I'll teach you movements that can be used in so many other flamenco dances. I'll be teaching these lessons just as I would a normal flamenco course. We'll start with technique, and I'll break down the steps really slowly and explain what are the important elements to get right. We'll finish with a choreography, which will then be broken down also so that you've got time to work on each section. Bueno, enough talking, vamos a bailar.